May mga pagkain doon pala mismo sa paanan ng Mayon yun.
Ito po yung Kagsawa Church. Lapitan natin at basahin natin kung ano yung sinasabi doon. Kagsawa Church. Ano yung Bulkang Mayon, natatabunan na naman ng mga ulap kasi nga daw may low pressure ngayon. Kaya hindi na naman siya nakita. Yung baba lang. Ayan, basahin. The spiritual administration of Kagsawa from 1587 to 1595 was under the parish of Kamali. And early church was burned on July 1636 by the Dutch who ransacked the town, borrowing Legazpi Bay. This church, built after 1724 by the Fray Francisco Blanco, was buried by the Rock of Lava during the eruption of Mayon volcano, February 1814. The authorities of Kagsawa, meeting at Ligao, July 6, 1814, decided to incorporate their town as a part of Daraga. The first centenary of the destruction of the church was commemorated February 1914. The goods were made to the ruins where all mass was sold. Yan po ang sinasabing history ng Kagsawa.
Yung simbahan na nalubog noong.
Kumbaga yung tore na lang ang may akyatan ba dito? Wala? Wala, parang wala na. Ruins na lang talaga siya. Checkan mo po na natin. Mamaya, ate bebe, mag-picture tayo. Picturean mo ako, picturean kita. Paro-paro G na lang tayo. Paro-paro G. Ay, mga natibag na bato, mga nahulog na bato, ganun pa rin. Pinakang dulo. Thank you for watching.